Hello everyone. The timing chain repair kit I have here is elaborately developed by RRE with 30 years of technical expertise. It fits all Honda models. Today I will walk you through this kit in detail. The timing chain uses high standard materials and special heat treatment like vanadium alloying, effectively reducing elongation and boosting wear resistance. The sprockets are made of high-strength materials, formed by high tonnage die casting for great impact and wear resistance. The tensioner comes with a high-strength spring for long-lasting tension, and its unique check mechanism reliably prevents chain skipping. The guide rails are made of new high crystallinity polyamide resin. They resist deformation, aging, and wear even under high temperatures. The precision guided curve design cuts down chain vibration, noise, and wear for smooth operation. Robust, reliable, and energetic. Choose RE stand with proven quality.